Hi, I'm Andrea and welcome to Productive C#. In this video, I want to talk about string interpolation. That is a feature that has been added to C# 6.0. So here I have a console application with a class product, with a name, a quantity, and a cost. Then I have a program that creates a list of products, and then is printing this list to the console. And the most important statement for this video is this one. So this statement is using basically string formatting to print a custom string. So what it does is that you have numbers here, 0, 1, 2, and 3, to represent placeholders, and then you pass the various parameters afterward. So this means that where the number is 2, there will be all these bits here will be replaced with a third parameter, p.cost. And then there is another piece of information that contains alignment and formattings. For example, here is saying that the second element should be, the element in position 2 should be aligned to the right and use 12 characters and use 2 decimals as to represent the numbers. So if I run this program, you can see that basically is printing the table in this nice form, where all the first 2 columns are aligned to the left and the other 2 columns are aligned on the right. Okay, so I want to show you how you can use string interpolation to do the same thing. So the idea is that instead of using the numbers, you can just directly put the expression inside the string. So this makes reading the string a lot easier because you can actually see the expression directly at the point when it's actually added. You can still use exactly the same alignment and formatting options, but the most important thing is you need to add a dollar at the top, right? So that C# knows this is the interpolated string, and this is an interpolated expression. So you can put any operation you want in it, and automatically will be the value will be replaced in the string. So it's a sort of a template that contains various interpolated expressions. And at the point when you actually need to convert this to a string, C# will do the formatting. Actually, what happens under the cover, C# is simply using string.format method to do the operation. So it's pretty much the exact same syntax as we used to do before. It's just a syntactic sugar on top of it. It's extremely useful. If I run this program, it should produce the exact same output, as you can see. Let me tell you a few other things. If you want to use a like special character without doing escaping, let's say I want to do a slash. If I do that now, it's failing because it's not able to recognize the escape sequence. So you need to use the verbatim string. So you can use verbatim strings and interpolated string at the same time. So you don't need to provide escape sequences here to use a slash, for example. If I don't use the interpolated string, you need to use like the classic escaping. Then, if you use the interpolated string and you want to actually represent curly braces, so you need to actually use put 2 of them in order to actually print 1 curly braces. So let's see. As you can see, I printed the curly braces here, and you can do that using the double curly braces. And this is pretty much it. There is one thing I could do. Let me go back to the original code. I want to show you how you can use ReSharper to automatically convert a string format into a string interpolation. So you click on the string, Alt Enter, and then you do pass string interpolation, and boom, automatically ReSharper does this for you. This is a feature that I use every day, and it's incredibly powerful. And I definitely discourage you to use the old syntax string.format. And going forward, please use string interpolation. It's going to make your life easier, the code a lot more readable, and it's really, really useful feature. Thank you for watching.